heard that no fault applies in New York to people who've been involved in motor vehicle accidents, such as in a car or if you were on a bus or in a pedestrian. But what does that really mean? Well, let me explain. Under the basic no-fault law, up to $50,000 of your expenses related to that crash are going to be covered under your auto insurance policy. These are things such as hospital bills, ambulance bills, chiropractic, dental, pharmacy bills, and if you have a referral, for physical therapy. Now, the important thing to keep in mind with no fault is your time limits that have to be complied with. If you don't comply with these time limits, your insurance company will make sure not to pay them. So what are those limits? First thing, 30 days. From the date of the crash, you have 30 days to file what's called an application for no-fault benefits with your insurance company. The next thing is 45. 45 days within the date that you've received the treatment, your provider has to submit the bill to the no-fault insurer. The third is 1 year. 1 year is the time from the date of the crash that if you need further medical or other related services as a result of the injuries you sustained in the crash, that those expenses were what they call are ascertainable. That's the language in the statute, within 1 year. So if 2 years after the fact you suddenly develop neck or back pain and never complain of it beforehand, it's not going to be covered under the no-fault bill. So how do you take care of this? Well, if you hire us, you don't have to worry about it. We will never charge you extra to handle the no-fault aspect of your claim, and we're going to make sure that your bills are taken care of, that debt collectors leave you alone as a result of medical bills resulting from this crash. It's one of the ways we like to help. Call us.